Hello everyone, welcome back to another 1 minute tutorial. Today we are going to look at CSS selectors. Now, CSS selectors are patterns used to select and style HTML elements within a web page. They define the criteria for targeting specific elements to apply CSS styles, and here are some common CSS selectors. The first one is element selector. This one specifically will select elements by their name. For example, you can see we have an element called maybe P. We can just write the CSS as P and then give it a color. So that means it's going to select all elements that is labeled P. Then we have class selectors. These ones will select elements with a specific class attribute. For example, if we create an element with a class highlight, we start with a dot in the CSS and then followed by the class name, which is highlight, and then give it whatever styles you'd want to do. So this will actually target all elements with the class highlight. We have ID selectors. This select elements with a specific ID attribute. For example, hash header. This will select the ID header, and IDs start with a hash in the CSS file. So we have attribute selector. This selects elements based on their attribute values. For example, if the attribute is type text, this is how we write it, type text, and then give it the CSS styles. It will target all text inputs within a form field. Next, we have descendant selector. This selects an element that is descendant of another specified element. For example, if I put article P, it will target all P elements within the article tag. And thank you so much for watching. This was 1 minute. See you in the next one.